Hi, I'm Annie Monaco. I'm a licensed clinical social worker in Buffalo, New York, and I have a private practice and a training center. And I mostly work with foster care, out-of-country adoptions, and other kids who are highly dissociative. And I am co-presenting a workshop with Erin.
Hello, I'm Erin Hassall. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist. I work in a school setting, running a family support center, and I also have a private practice where I work with children, teens, and adults who struggle with complex PTSD, as well as attachment wounds and highly dissociative students in schools. And so,
Yeah. So in this workshop, we have a 90-minute workshop, and it's going to describe teens' protective parts and how they can come out and be hostile and aggressive, maybe with you as the therapist, maybe at home, school, community, and how it really torpedoes any therapeutic treatment. And so Erin and I are going to present a case each in addition to some training slides. So my case is about a teenage boy who's violent at home, doesn't go to school, encapsulated, lots of issues, and how we used EMDR and working with his protective parts to basically help him be extremely successful at this time. And
and
Erin,
And I will be sharing a case with one of the students that I work with here in the school setting who has struggled with lots of dissociation. And so I had success in working with their protective parts so that they were able to stay in their school setting as well as be able to really work through some of the learning struggles that they had in school. And so, with all that being said, Annie and I will be presenting on Friday, August 25th. And so we hope to see you there live in person at the EMDR conference. So thank you so much and have a fantastic day. And we can't wait to see you.
see you in DC.